If you want to transfer data from iPhone to POCO M8 Pro, in that case we can go ahead and open the app drawer, and then you want to find the MI Mover app. This is an app that is pre-installed on your phone, so you should be able to easily find it. And if you go over here, we need to press agree, and then we can continue. Now, on the other hand, on your iPhone, you will need to download this app, because of course iPhones don't have this app pre-installed. So you can just simply go to the App Store and we can search for the MI Mover. There we go. And unfortunately the name of the app seems to be not translated, so most likely you will see this name instead, and this is the app that you want to install. Once you have it, we need to open it. Now over here on POCO M8 Pro, we need to select that this is our new device. Of course, we want to select that we want to transfer from Apple because of iPhone, of course, and we need to grant all necessary permissions. Now we will generate this QR code, so on iPhone we can tap on Alt, and we need to scan this QR code in order to join the hotspot that was created by our POCO M8 Pro. There we go. So wait a couple of seconds to make the connection work. There we go. Now over here you can choose whatever we want to transfer, and in my case I'm just gonna transfer a couple of images, and once you're ready we can tap on transfer, and you should leave this page opened as it is over here until the transfer is completed. Now, two things that you need to keep in mind. The first thing is that the more data you need to transfer, the longer it will take, of course, and second thing is that you will not be able to transfer apps from iPhone to your POCO, because apps built on iPhone are built in a different way essentially compared to iPhone, so they are not really compatible. So you will have to go to the Play Store and you will need to search for your apps and install them manually. And that is all. Subscribe to my channel.